Hi friends, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Karunji Josephine and I am so glad to have you on this channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch this video. If you are a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing and you are welcome to this family. In today's video, I would like to share with you how I make money as a stay-at-home mom, or actually a work from home mom. So I'm going to be sharing with you the things that have actually helped me to earn money when I'm actually at home, how I am able to work remotely from home and then be able to also take care of my children, because I am that mom that doesn't have a maid at home. But still be able to earn some money and then be able to help your husband as well, so that you can balance the home together as husband and wife and not have to, leave all the financial burden on your husband. I am so glad to be born in this generation where I can actually just be at my home and actually earn some money. I think this is the best generation to be born in than the one where our parents had to, be a doctor, be a lawyer, be something that the world thinks is corporate, I should say, to be able to earn a living or to be able to be considered successful in society. This generation we are in, I feel like it's a blessing for us to be able to thrive in whatever things that we are actually passionate about. Also the things I'm going to be sharing, it's not that everyone is actually passionate about this thing that I'm sharing, but there are things that you can actually do remotely and also be able to earn money from home. So the very first thing that I actually do to earn money from home is being a content creator. I am a content creator here on YouTube. I create videos. I believe that everyone can actually be a content creator. So how do I earn money from content creation? I create videos. Yes, I create videos here on YouTube, and then they are monetized by YouTube, and then I'm able to also get money from YouTube. So how does this content creation thing work? Especially if it is YouTube, you can use other platforms. You can actually earn money from Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, all these other platforms. But I prioritize YouTube because I am passionate about this. So this is how you earn on YouTube. You create a YouTube channel, and then you start creating videos that you are passionate about. It could be about speaking if you are passionate about speaking. It could be about your business. It could be about vlogging, about your life. You can do dancing. You have seen people who just dance and earn money from it. You can be an entertainer, a comedian. You can be a news reporter. You can be like all the things that you are passionate about. You can actually create content from these particular things. You can be a motivational speaker. You can be a marketer. You can be a video editor. You can be a lot of things when it comes to content creation. So you have to specify and find out the things that you can actually do here. But the things that will make you some good money are the things where people are getting value from your content. Where people are either getting value or being entertained or learning something, or seeing the world around you. The people who do travel content, like my husband, he has a YouTube channel where he shows people content about different countries. Apart from YouTube, you can actually be a content creator on other platforms like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, all these other platforms that you see online. You can actually earn money from them, but I specified on YouTube. So I actually have a different channel apart from this very channel. This is our family channel. I have a different channel called Karunji Josephine. You will check it out after watching this video. Here on YouTube, for you to be able to start earning money, you need to have 1,000 subscribers on your platform, on your channel, and then 4,000 watch hours. That is when YouTube realizes that you're a serious content creator, and then they decide to partner with you. Yes, YouTube partners with you so that they be placing adverts on your videos, and it is through those adverts, these people who come to advertise with YouTube, they pay YouTube. So it is these adverts that you and YouTube partner together to actually earn money from. Yeah, that is how you actually make money on YouTube. So I'm sure some of you have actually come across different adverts while watching my videos. That is how exactly I earn money. So the more I upload content, the more I put their videos, I earn money from it. Yeah, so how beautiful could that be if you're also passionate about it, like you love creating the content and then getting money from it, right? So you can try it as well if you'd like to start earning money from home. If you want to know more about content creation, if you want to get deeper into it and you want to start learning how to make money on YouTube here, I actually have a course, a coaching course about YouTube specifically. I can help you get into that at a cost. Yeah, and then so that you can also be able to make money from content creation. Another thing that is helping me to be able to earn money from home remotely is that I am a certified personal growth coach and a business consultant. This is a skill that you can as well learn if you are passionate about it. I talk to people who want to be better in life, people that want to grow their businesses, people that want to change their lives generally. I am that person that will help walk the journey with you. People who need accountability partners when it comes to being able to work on their goals or being able to work on their businesses. They want to grow their businesses, so they will need someone they will talk to or someone that will advise them to be their best selves. So I do that also remotely. I have a platform, my Karunji Josephine platform, where people consult me, concerning their businesses, also concerning their life. So when you schedule an appointment with me, I actually walk with you that specific journey or that specific goal that you want to achieve, so that I help you to be able to bring it to realization and a lot more. But that is what I also do apart from content creation. So don't hesitate to reach out to me if you need someone to talk to, or when you actually need someone that will help walk you through the journey of achieving your business goals, achieving your personal goals as a person. So times have actually changed, and gone are the days where people would just do everything alone, right? If you need an accountability partner, or if you need a mentor, someone to walk with you, like I do that, and I can be able to walk you through the journey and be able to achieve the things that you have always wanted to achieve, than actually doing it alone by yourself. So you can schedule an appointment with me, and then I share with you my rate card, and how I can actually be of benefit to the things that you want to achieve in your life. So that is also one other thing that actually helps me to be able to earn money remotely from home. So another thing that I actually do that helps me to earn money remotely from home is actually being a video editor. I do edit videos for businesses and also for people that want to, showcase their work or their talent to the world, but online. So I am a video editor as well, and you can actually do this thing if you actually learn the skill. It is something that anyone can actually learn. So one other thing that I would advise someone who wants to work remotely from home is that please invest in yourself and learn skills that can actually enable you to be able to work remotely from wherever you are. Like you can be in a restaurant and you're working. You can be in your bed and you're working. You can be at home and you're actually working. So it takes time, but it is definitely worth it, and it requires a person who is dedicated to actually learn these specific skills. But those are the only things that I am doing so far. Those 3 things that are actually helping me to be able to earn money from home while being able to also take care of my family and keep my home in check. So I'm also going to be sharing with you the things that you can actually do apart from the ones that I have shared, the ones that I do. There are certain things that you can actually do also if you want to earn money from home. So these are bonuses to anyone that wants to be a person that earns remotely. You can actually do online tutoring. Yes, you may not do the cooking videos, or you may not be good at speaking. You can do things that you are passionate about. So here I'm talking about people who are in professions like teaching, or maybe a doctor, or maybe an artist. Like, as long as you have a camera with you, or even a phone, as long as you can actually teach people a certain skill, like video editing, what I was talking about, like graphics designing, here you're doing what we call online tutoring. So in this way, your platform will grow, and then when it grows, you will become a YouTube partner, and then you will start to also earn money from your content. So it's not magic, guys. It's a lot of work. People put in the work to be able to also earn money from these specific things. Another thing, if you have a skill about web designing, you can be designing websites for people, for businesses, people that want to actually market their businesses. You can be a person that designs websites for them. So that is also one other job that can earn you money remotely, right? Another thing is actually being a social media manager. Yes, there are platforms, or actually businesses, that want to market their businesses but don't know how. So you can be a person that helps them to manage their pages on Instagram, on YouTube, on Facebook, on TikTok. You can create content for them if you just don't want to appear like put your face there, but be able to help someone else create content for their businesses or for their platforms, and then they be giving you a certain amount of money. So there are people actually earning money from just being social media managers, managing pages for businesses, or even specific individuals who just want to market their personal brands and all that. Another thing is actually selling products. If you are a person who owns a business, but you still want to work remotely and like just working with your phone, you can start selling products, your very products from your shop here online, and people will be able to actually buy them, because most of the times you realize that people are always on their phones. People are actually shifting from watching televisions, from being on their laptops, to actually using their phones. Your phone is a very powerful tool that can actually earn you money if you know how to use it. So selling products is one other way that can actually help you to earn money from home. Another thing, these are for parents or people who are passionate about children and they're just home. You can offer to be you can offer to just take care of other people's children. It can be, let me call it a home daycare. I have seen people who do this thing and still earn money from it. If you have a home and it is big enough, you have children who have toys they don't even use, things like that, you can offer to actually do home daycare, and this can also earn money for you. This is one other thing that I've seen people actually do and earn money from it. If you're looking at earning money from your home as a mom, another thing that can also help you to earn money from home as a mom is actually becoming a blogger. Now, this is for people who are good at writing, but they don't want to show their faces, or maybe they are just passionate about doing the writing. So you can have blog channels. There are people who just have websites, and these websites, they have ads on them. People are earning money from them. So you can just start a blog, and then from those very blogs you will earn from the ads from different sponsorships, different businesses. So this is specifically for people who have really taken time to also learn about this. So far, those are the things that I know. Another bonus thing that I've just remembered is doing stock photography. Now you have seen videos where people are showing those drone footages, or even just some nice pictures on these graphic design apps like Canva, the editing apps. There are people who actually create videos just beautiful videos, and they sell them for others to be able to use in on their platforms. This is called stock footage. So it can be pictures, it can be videos, of different things, and actually people buy these videos and people earn from it. So if you are good at actually capturing things, you can start with whatever you have, and most of the times it is the phone. If you have a phone and it has a very good camera, this is the best time for you to actually utilize it and then be able to earn money from it, from just using your phone, taking some nice videos, some nice pictures. It could be pictures of flowers, pictures of cars, pictures of people working. So all these things can actually earn you money. So there are platforms where actually people sell these videos or even pictures. Let's talk about the editing apps. There are editing apps where people edit videos from. All these things actually, all these platforms have videos, they have photos, but you realize that using some of these photos, you'll have to pay money to actually use it. Those who use CapCut, you realize that there are certain features that you won't be able to use unless you actually pay for them. So that is how actually people earn money remotely. But all these other things, some of them I've not tried them out, but the 3 that I shared with you at first, they are the ones that are working for me as of now, but I'm also learning and growing. So as time goes on, I'll also be adding on more and more other things to learn and then also be able to earn money from them. So it is this online working thing, or this remotely working thing, is like a lake. Anyone can come and fish. Anyone can do whatever they want and then earn money from it. But it takes a person who is dedicated and a person who is passionate about learning. That is what I had to share with you. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I will be able to answer them and then interact with you. If you have any questions regarding the YouTube thing, the coaching thing, I will be so glad to hear from you and to schedule a session with you so that I give you enough time and give you more explanation about content creation and how you can actually earn money from home as a mom. So from me to you is a bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find it helpful, give it a thumbs up, like, share, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.